back to my channel and welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day video. So if you guys are new around here, welcome. My name is Becca. I'm a registered dietitian and also very passionate about intuitive eating. I've got some different videos here on my channel about it. But yeah, so I am full-blown an intuitive eater. I basically just eat whatever I want, when I want, what feels right in the moment. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Kind of fly by the seat of my pants when it comes to eating. But yeah, so I love healthy food. I'm a dietitian. I'm passionate about nutrition. So that is a lot of what I eat. So of course you will see a lot of that. But I'm just going to be taking you guys around with me today, sharing with you what I'm eating. So yeah, I'm about to eat some breakfast. I am hungry. So let's get this day started. Thumbs up for a day in the life of Rosie video. I was gonna say how fun would that be, but it would honestly be so boring. This is what she does all day. Right, Rosie, are you tired? Oh, you sweet girl. Okay, so for breakfast, I'm just doing something really simple and easy. I just picked up these cinnamon raisin Ezekiel like English muffins the other day. I've had the plain ones before from Ezekiel and they're pretty good, but I thought the cinnamon raisin just sounded really good. So I'm going to like heat one of these up and then just toast it. Just heated these up. Now they are gonna go in the toaster. Okay, so they're toasted and I'm just gonna use this almond butter from Trader Joe's, put that on top, and then of course, gonna sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on there too.
You came into my life and made it paradise, you touched me deep in my soul. I keep on thinking how could this get any better and I really don't know. This is a strong connection.
Alright, so there's my breakfast. Super easy. These look so hearty. Oh my god, like way heartier than traditional English muffins. They just look so good. So yep, that is my breakfast. Hello friends. So it's a little while later now. I've been working all morning, just sitting at my desk. I need a break, so I'm gonna have some lunch. It is snowing outside today. It's cold and I'm gonna have some soup and I'm pretty excited about it. So I actually made previously some like potato leek soup. Is the first time I ever made it. You guys, it was so easy. I will put, I don't have like a recipe for it on my blog or anything. I got this off of a blog post, so I'll link the blog post down below of the recipe that I used to make it. I didn't make it exactly that way because I didn't have like exactly the amount of ingredients that I called for, but whatever, it doesn't matter. It still turned out amazing, so if you're curious how I made it, you can go check that out. But yeah, I made it. It was so easy, so good, and the reason I made it is because I got leeks in my CSA order this week. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, you know that I just started getting like local produce / eggs from a farmer's market near my house, and I just joined a CSA, which is like a community supported agriculture, and it's basically like a flat rate every week, and I just get like a big bunch of, I get a ton of veggies. I always get one fruit, a fresh herb, and then I also get my eggs from there, from like the cutest chickens ever that you can actually see, which is so cool. They're adorable. Anyway, so I got leeks and I was like, okay, what the heck am I gonna do with these? And I was like, oh my god, potato leek soup. It's perfect for this time of year because it's so cold and it snowed today. So all I wanna do is just like bundle up inside and eat soup. So I'm gonna have that. And I also roasted up some broccoli, which is super easy. So I'm gonna have that as well. So this is what the broccoli looks like after I roast it. Roasting veggies is seriously so easy. All I do is get out like a baking sheet. I put some parchment paper down, and then whatever I'm roasting, I just drizzle on oil. I usually like to use avocado oil because it's just really good at cooking at high temperatures. And I just add salt and pepper. That's it. And I throw it in the oven for usually like between 20 and 30 minutes, depending on mainly how much time I have or how hungry I am. And I'll do it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So super easy. That's all you have to do. All you have to do is set it up on the pan, throw it in the oven, and your work is done. So really easy and a good way to just get your veggies in, plus roasting them. Oh, they like caramelize and they're so delicious. Do you want to go out in the snow? Do you want to go out in the snow? Come on. Come on, let's go out in the snow. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. You ready to go outside? You ready to go outside, sweet girl? Come on. All right, ready guys? Here she goes. Just gonna take off. Come on, let's go. Come on. Go ahead. Go ahead. So I just finished lunch a few minutes ago. It hasn't been very long. And I just realized I never actually showed you guys like my bowl of soup and broccoli, but you saw both of those things, so you can imagine what my lunch probably looked like. Sorry. Anyway, like I said, it's not that much later, but I'm gonna be making like a crock pot dinner. So I'm gonna get that started now, and shocker, I feel like it is, sorry, this lighting's terrible. I feel like it's a running joke at this point how many times I made chili in these what I eat videos, but we really do have chili a lot in the winter and fall. So that's what I'm gonna be making, but I'm making it in the crock pot, and I'm doing it with chicken, not like ground turkey, which is typically what I do. Sometimes grass-fed ground beef, but I'm gonna be making it with chicken, and I'm gonna get everything assembled in the crock pot now. But while I'm doing it, I'm having a couple of these figgy pops. Oh my god, they're so good if you've never had them. They're basically just like little fig, like dried fruit balls, and they've got, let's see, figs, dates, tart cherries, cashews, walnuts, coconut, and cacao nibs, and they're really, really good. All right, so I got my crock pot right here, and then what I'm gonna throw in is 2 cans of diced tomatoes. I also have a can of tomato paste, and then a can of corn I'm gonna throw in there as well. I'm gonna chop up some green peppers. I'm probably only gonna use half this onion, dice that up, as well as some garlic, a couple cloves of that. And then spice-wise, I've got chili powder, cumin, oregano, paprika, and then also gonna add some red pepper flakes. And then I've got chicken over here in the sink that is just defrosting. Sometimes I buy chicken, organic chicken in bulk from Costco, so that's where that's from. So I'm just gonna throw this all in my crock pot. All right, so everything is in the crock pot, and I'm gonna set this for 4 hours on high, and then we're gonna have some chili. So I'm about to go get back to work, but I made myself a little afternoon cup of tea, so I thought I would share that. It's just some chamomile tea, nothing fancy. So it is like a little after 6 o'clock right now. I'm still working, and Matt is not home from work yet, so I'm gonna have a snack, and then we'll have dinner a little bit later. I'm thinking I'm gonna have yogurt, because I have been, let's see, I've been on a yogurt kick lately. So I'm gonna have one of these Siggy's yogurts. This is the vanilla one, and I'm probably gonna top it with some granola. This is Jessica's gluten-free pecan almond granola. Gonna have some of that. Also going to add some chocolate chips as well, because that's what I'm in the mood for. All right, here we go. Cutest little snack ever. Yogurt, granola, chocolate chips. This looks really good, actually. Okay, so here is what the chili looks like. It is all done cooking, and now I just need to go in and break up, like kind of mix this up, and then break up the chicken. When you cook chicken in the crock pot, it literally just falls apart. Like, it's so easy to break up. So I'm just gonna go through and do that. All right, so here's our chicken chili. And then I'm gonna put some of this on top. I haven't done that yet, but a little bit of cheese on my chili, and that's our dinner. So that is it for today's vlog. We just watched some TV, and we're about to go up to bed. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe if you are enjoying my videos. Follow me on Instagram and all of that. But yeah, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll let Rosie say bye. Hey Rosie, wanna say bye? Wanna say bye to you too? Say bye.
I could use a dream or a genie or a wish to go back to a place much simpler than this. Cause after all the partying and smashing and crashing, and all the glitz and the glam and the fashion, and all the pandemonium and all the madness, there comes a time where you fade to the blackness. And when you staring at that phone in your lap, and you hoping but them people never call you back.